Okay, we're in a blizzard right now, and it's snowing really bad, and we're trying to get to Culver's, and the car's passing us. Say hi, everyone. Hi. We got Chelsea.
Ready? And then here comes my brother. Looking.
Woo! As you can see, just another day in the life of a Minnesota.
Oh hey, the news report. To the left you'll see some snow. News report! And to the right you'll see some motherfucking snow. Behind you you'll see some snow.
We are coming live from the car of Chelsea Looney, and there seems to be a blizzard outside, as you can tell. We're going to take it over to Dylan with the news.
Hello, I'm Dylan Hess here to report the night news. Alright, to the front of us you can see some blizzard.
You turn the music down? Alright, okay, blizzard.
Blizzard. Alright, now take your camera to the left of us and you will see blizzard.
Well, you can't really see anything, but you can get the picture.
And to the right of us,
you see Chelsea.
No.
That's left.
That's left. To the right of us, you will see Aaron beating up the snow. You will see snow.
Sorry, folks, we're having temporary malfunction. Back to Dylan with the news.
And it will snow for a couple more hours, and then we will go creeping on Mr. Hasselberg.
Hey, you can't document that.
Oh, shit. No, we're not. At all.
That was a lie.
That was a lie.
Liar, liar, pants on fire.
Nose as long as it's telephone wire.
We'll be briefly coming back to you with the local news.
Briefly,
this is Katie from G6 News. Thank you and good night.
Can we be a part of the G6 News?